welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a red hot summer makeup tutorial. We've got some bright colours, we've got some glitter, and this lipstick's like a waterproof lipstick, so you know, hopefully it will last you through swimming if you wanted to get one. But I really hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial. I've used some really like interesting and new products, stuff that has been my recent favourite sort of thing. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and like the video if you like it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start with my Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. This is a really nice hydrating primer. I would definitely recommend this for dry skin. I'm not sure about oily skin because I don't have oily skin, but this is supposed to be hydrating, so I think it'd be really good for dry or combo skin. Okay, I'm now going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. This says it's for normal to oily, but I think dry skin can use this as well because it's not like super, like, you know, really matte. It's actually quite a nice finish. So this is a darker shade than I'd usually use, but I'm a little bit more tanned at the moment. And if it is a bit too dark, like I'll lighten up with some powders and stuff. But I'm just going to pop like a little bit of this on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to start applying it with my BH Cosmetics 117 brush. And this is a slightly smaller foundation brush, because I don't want to put on as much foundation as I usually would if it's like hot out. So I'm just going to sort of lightly put it on and then just like spot conceal with a concealer in a minute. Okay, then I'm just going to do a bit of spot concealing with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Porcelain, but this isn't actually like, it looks quite light on camera, but it's not actually super light, so this works when I've got like a little tiny bit of a tan, because sometimes it can be like a touch too dark for me. Again, it looks really light on camera, but it's perfect right now, so that's really good. And I'm just going to be blending that out with my beauty blender. You can use any sponge that you've got that you prefer. This has got like a big like rip in it, like that looks like a little mouth or something, but I literally just ordered a new one from Beauty Bay like 20 minutes ago, so hopefully it'll be here soon and I won't have to deal with this thing anymore. I'm now going to take this Too Faced Amazing Face Powder. This is in the shade Perfect Nude. I don't use that much of I can't talk. I don't use this that often. But as I'm saying that, I have like hip hand on it. But I use this a lot like in the summer because sometimes it's a little bit too dark for me. But it's a really good powder for like oil control. And if it's hot and you want to sort of like you keep your concealer and your foundation in place, even if you only put a little bit on, to just sort of tap this on over the top, it really makes a massive difference in terms of like longevity. I don't know if they still do this powder because I got this in TK Maxx. If not, they must do like a similar one. But yeah, no, this is really good, and I should really get one of these in like my regular shade because I really like it, and it's really hard for me to find a powder that I think makes like a really big difference, you know. Okay, so I want this to make nice and summery, and I've got my sort of palette here of like single shadows, and I think I'm going to go in with stuff like, you know, this is the yellow from Bleach London, this sort of like orangey colour, and then I'll probably lay like a sort of pinky orange colour on the lid, and then we're going to do like a little bit of sparkle on the inner corner. And I've just got some brushes here. I'm going to probably start with the yellow and then build up with the orange, and then sort of like pack the sort of pinky corally colour here onto my lid. This is the shade Slim Fit from Colourpop, by the way. That orange in there wasn't giving me quite enough orange, so I'm going to go into the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to take the shade Railgar instead, which is a bit more of a burnt orangey colour, and I'm just going to put this sort of on the outer corner and into the crease a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and pat this colour Slim Fit from Colourpop all over the lid. I just quickly laid down a bit of the Pro Conceal again on the lid just to give it a bit of extra stick from where I was doing quite a lot of blending before, and then I'm just going to pack that colour over the lid on this flat brush. Okay, I've also just brought that colour onto the lower lash line like quite far down. I'm going to go ahead and just quickly do the other eye of camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that's sort of blended out, I'm just going to put on a little bit of the Lancome Plume Liner. I wasn't going to do a wing liner, but I feel like I kind of want to, because there's a lot of sort of like pastel colours, and I need something to sort of like give a bit of, I don't know, like contrast, I guess. So I'm just going to go ahead and do quite a small wing liner with this. I did say small, right? You heard me say that. I don't know what was going on in my head, because you've ended up with two like pretty huge rings, but I made a mess, and so I had to fix it. So this is just what we're going to go with. Oh dear. Okay, so I'm going to do the inner corner of my mascara in a second, but I just want to get my lashes ready. So I've got these two pairs of lashes from Kaya Lashes. One is called About Last Night, and these are sort of like lighter style, like fluffier ones, and they look really pretty, and I was going to wear those. But then I've also got these ones which are called Lash My Bitch Up, and they're like a lot longer and fluffier. I'm not really sure which ones I want to go with. I wanted to like the lighter style, especially if it's like a sort of a summery look, but these ones are kind of calling my name a little bit. I have to have a thing. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with the bigger ones, the Lash My Bitch Up ones. Oh yeah, by the way, I do have a discount code with Kaya Lashes. It's Maddie20, so MADI 20 if you want to get 20% off. I'll leave their website link down below and all the details and stuff. But yeah, I think I'm going to go with these bigger ones, and I might use the smaller ones for a different eye look someday. But these have got like super cool packaging. They've got like that, you know, that sort of holographic backing to them. So like the box is like hollow, and you take them out and they just come on a little tray like that. So I'm going to pop some glue on these, and I'll come back and we'll do some other bits and pieces while I'm waiting for them to dry. Okay, so while I'm waiting for those to dry, I'm going to do some highlighting. I'm just going to take my Spectrum tapered highlighter brush, which just looks like this, and the Pixi and Aspie Novard. I'm sorry, I don't know who that is, but it's in the shade Santorini Sunset, and this is their glowy powder. I think this is like a collab, because I think there was a couple of different products. It looks so bright on camera, it's really lovely. Yeah, I got this in TK Maxx, because it's quite hard to find Pixi Beauty still in the UK. They do it at M&S now, but they don't have them at every single one, and they don't have all the makeup products at every single one, so it's a bit of a pain. But I thought this was really pretty, and I've been wearing this an awful lot because it's quite gold, and some highlighters have just been looking way too pale on my skin where I've had a tan, you know. I'm just going to put on a bit of the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Thrilled, and I'm just taking this on my Bare Minerals Full Flawless Face Brush. Okay, I'm just going to put on a bit of mascara. I'll probably use the Benefit Roller Lash for that, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I really love this style. I don't have any that are quite exactly like this, and I really like the way that they look. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of sparkle, and I'm going to grab the, wherever it's gone, oh, it's literally right in front of me. I'm going to grab the Barry M Glitter Bomb Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade 5 Bling Bling. I'm just going to put a bit of this on my inner corner, and then we'll go ahead and do lips. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with the shade Till Midnight by LA Splash, and this is just their Liquid Shore, which is a waterproof liquid lipstick, which is really great if you're going to be like hot or anything like that. These Barry M glitter bombs, they're really nice, but they can flake off a little bit, so just make sure you use a good setting spray if you're going to wear this out and you're going to be a bit warm. Okay, so we are done with this makeup tutorial. I'm really pleased with the way it turned out, and I love these lashes. I'll leave their discount code and their website link down below. This lip colour is a bit different for me. I really like this colour. I just really don't wear it enough. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!